now. We start now.
Oh,
We
right.
start
Okay,
now.
start.
Now, Ian has to explain to a duffer what this thing is and why it matters.
Well, this is really cool because here we've got the Stream Deck, and the great thing about the Stream Deck is the fact that it has all these mini buttons that are also displays that you can program to do what you want. And in a situation like this, you can customize your ground station, which we've got up there, and then rather than going out and making your own control system, you can simply plug in a Stream Deck, have it pre-programmed with all of the buttons that you want, and it's ready to go.
So is he just?
Yeah, that's it. That's the buttons, the software with the Stream Deck.
So if you had a Stream Deck,
yeah,
you'd have this, and you'd
yeah,
customize it.
And it's all macro keys, so you can do it all through macro
and
keys.
Then you've just assigned it to.
Well, you don't even need to do that because if you've already programmed the macro keys in Mission Planner, or the macros already exist, you will just program them into the Stream Deck. So you don't even need to do much customization.
So then you'll put your funky company sticker saying Milcheck or something like
that. Across the top. Yeah, or make yourself a nice aluminium housing machine and then strip it out and put it in.
And then pretend.
And 10 grand.
yeah. So, right, let's go on and do it. Thanks, man.